welcomes you to the following presentation of the National Football League.
The city's 7+ hills. Welcome to Paycor Stadium in Cincinnati, Ohio. Today, a good scrap in the AFC North. It's the Cleveland Browns and the Cincinnati Bengals.
The question is, can he come back to the place where it all started and find new life?
That one down the field, but they cannot connect, and it's incomplete. Second and 10.
Brings up 2nd and 10.
Here's Gino. He'll get it into the hands of Garrett Wilson. And he'll be very close to a first down. Won't quite have enough, but now a much more advantageous spot. He'll try to run for it with Hall. And he's not going to get the first down. They met him, brought him down in the backfield on 3rd and short.
It's 4th down.
On 4th down, here's Smith. He will have the conversion and more. And he is going to have a Jets first down. As this defense
This offense is finding out the hard way, Mike. There is just not a lot of room to operate against this defense down near the goal line.
And I don't know if he got there. The defense thinks they have stopped him, and the officials agree. He is short, and it's now for the point after.
For the extra point.
It's up and good. And the Jets will take a 7-0 lead.
Giants nothing.
This drive starts at the 21. It's 1st and 10. On the fake to Hall, here's Gino. There's a throw right side. Going to be incomplete. See what they have for 2nd and 10.
Paulson of Debo on the coverage.
From the shotgun, it's Smith. They convert downfield, but it is caught. And he'll be brought down up around the 38 yards. On 2nd down, Smith. That one pinballs around, but it is incomplete. He was looking for Garrett Wilson there. Now it's going to be 3rd down. From the shotgun, Smith. The ball deflected at least a couple of times, but it'll fall to the ground. It's incomplete. Early big play here. They're going to go for it on 4th down. Gino going to throw for it. He'll let this go towards the end zone. That one. What an opening quarter he is having. Greg, that is 2 touchdown receptions here in the 1st quarter.
Mike, all this guy has to do is keep this pace.
And I know the jokes are always about defensive backs' hands. What really actually happens, you don't get many opportunities. You get over anxious and you start to think about taking it away and going the other way instead of focusing and catching the ball.
And they're left looking at 3rd and 8 after the 2nd down pass play only went for 2. Allen. So 2nd quarter, this offense losing and hoping to get the football in the end zone for the first time. Allen off the play fake. Shakir hauls it in. A heavy touchdown play on that one. So a 1st and 10 now in Denver territory. Right at the 40. Allen going to throw. And he rifles one incomplete.
So it looked like maybe his 3rd or his 4th read on his progression. Just trying to find his outlet man that time. Ends up leading him just a bit too much.
And complete right side to Cook. And he gets this one inside the 15, just a yard or 2 shy of the 10. The catch and run pays off for 29 yards.
Another nice play there. They've gotten down into the red zone in no time at all. That's what this offense can do when they get on a roll. And now they're set up with a 1st and 10.
From down at the 12, it's 1st and 10. Allen to throw once more. Touchdown! Khalil Shakir. A 12-yard touchdown grab. And the Bills are an extra point away from taking the lead. Well executed there offensively. Defense looked a little confused, but he found his receiver, and that one good for 6 points.
And the payoff we just saw there tells us how many times they ran this play in practice over the past few weeks, because they executed that flawlessly right here on game day.
Chances on that one. It was bouncing around, but it falls incomplete. That one was intended for Devontae Smith. We'll try again. It's 2nd and 10. On play action, here's Hurts. He's going to dial up another deep ball. This one batted in the air and intercepted. Picked off by Christian Gonzalez. And a solid return as he gets it up past the 45-yard line.
It's not often, Mike, that everything breaks right for this.
The drive begins at the 20. Here's 1st and 10. Operating from the gun, here's Hurts. Oh, what a catch there. He pulled it in one-handed.
A little more hesitant. But what does this guy do? He goes right back at him, gives his guy a chance, and this time it pays off because it's his guy making the big play.
Hurts using the pop pass. And he's going to be out of bounds, but up past the 35. So, 1st and 10 here now at the 38.
Eagles, 1st down.
On play action, Hurts. Looking down the field there, but it falls incomplete.
I know it fell for an incompletion, but pretty impressive. He was able to push that ball really far downfield as he was being hit. Really says a lot about the arm strength that this quarterback has.
Throw downfield is hauled in by Lemon. And he's down inside the 40-yard line. To the air again. Hurts. He'll let this go for Goddard. That's to the end zone where it's incomplete. What a job in coverage, muscling that one free. It'll be 2nd down now. Hurts again. A throw left side there, not going to find the target. Incomplete. Devontae Smith, the intended receiver. 3rd down coming up.
And 10 yards to go.
Again, Hurts. He'll let this go deep for the end zone. And that is incomplete. Contact occurred just as the ball was arriving. There are no flags. It's 4th down. Hurts will try it again. He's got his man. It's Smith. And they're going to be set up right around. Going to go with the push here. I believe they're going to say he was stopped short.
This offense is finding out the hard way, Mike. There is just not a lot of room to operate against this defense down near the goal line.
And I don't know if he got there. The defense thinks they have stopped him, and the officials agree. He is short, and it's now
time to rock as Toe gets ready to meet leather. And we are underway from Arrowhead. Dances by him. And good starting field position. He'll get this one all the way up to about the 35-yard line. Chiefs offense ready to take the field with none other than the three-time Super Bowl MVP, Patrick Mahomes, leading the way.
Boy, it's great to see him back on the field after tearing his ACL last season. And most people know about the ability. We've seen it for so long. Never forget about the determination. I expect him to get back to elite play and fast.
He'll get 10 there all on his own, but it'll be second down.
That's an early scramble that can be viewed positively by either side. From the offensive point of view, it begins to establish him as a possibility to keep it on certain plays. And defensively, they're already giving up a huge play in one of their first tests in containing a quarterback.
29 yards. So from Rams territory now, it's 1st and 10 at the 26-yard line. Open man here. It's the tight end, Kelsey. And he will take it on in for a Chiefs touchdown. Travis Kelsey, 26 yards. And the Chiefs need just 3 plays to go down and take the early lead.
The Bengals first down.
Burrow to the air now. And this is going to wind up incomplete. Second down.
Well covered on that play. Really not a large window for him to sneak that throw in.
After the incompletion, they come up on 2nd and 10.
Here we go. Right 80. Right side.
Here's Burrow. That throw finds Jamar Chase. Touchdown, Cincinnati! He finds one of his great receivers, Brock, and they are off to a great start to begin this ball game.
Yeah, it's such a positive offensively when you can go find not just a field goal, but a touchdown on that opening drive. And defensively, this starts to shake the foundation of your preparation and makes you wonder what's in store.
And that offense isn't budging. They're going for it.
Here we go.
4th down, Burrow. And that's incomplete in the end zone. Could have been. Bengals getting set, Brock. Here comes 1st and 10. This is a heater going deep. He's got it deep downfield. And he is in with the dive. Touchdown. And he is in with the dive. Bengals. T. Higgins goes in from 85 yards out.
Those front office personnel people love to pair speedy wide receivers and ask their coaches to do just that. Put some play action in there. Let him go run. Because with his speed, that route is a winner, winner, chicken dinner.